What's going on YouTube? We're back again, and today we're going to be doing something a little different. We are going to start building a drift trike. It's basically taking a small bicycle, cutting it up, and then putting a frame on the back with a go-kart motor. Put it off of Facebook for like $20, so I think it'll be good to, at least a good framework to at least begin building this. But right now we're going to start disassemble. Okay, so now we got everything off the bike. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this post off, cut this part off. I'm actually going to leave the bottom part of this frame. I'm going to use that to weld to where my seat's going to go, I believe. And then, yeah, I'll cut this up, clean it up, finish taking the brake cable off, and we'll go from there. Alright, so what I've done, I've cut the back part off. So what I think I'm going to do actually is, since I'm freaking 6'9", I think what I'm going to do is use this kind of like a extender. I'll probably cut this off, use this as my framework. We'll weld this back up together backwards. Cut this top tube off, and then we may end up having to cut the bottom tube and then angling it and re-welding it to give it kind of a lower ride. We'll see, but let's go ahead and cut this off, and then I'll go ahead and clean this up as well. So now I need to figure out how long to make this dang bike, because I've got very long legs. So I need to sit comfortably on this thing. That's why I'm trying to figure this out. Oh man, let me sit on the ground. I'm thinking if I was here, this should work. I love it. So I need to make this seat. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this post off, and this will be my framework for here. That way I should be able to sit on here comfortable. what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put pegs up here to put your feet on, and should be it. I think if I make the frame like this, it'll come up just a little bit for the seat. I'm gonna put the seat up here. This is where I'm gonna sit, and then we'll put the axle and stuff back here. But yeah, it's getting closer. All right, guys, we're done for the day. We got the whole back tool apart. We got the frames kind of bent. I'm gonna bend this bottom one. I'm gonna cut it and bend it more horizontal. I need to weld this part up for the seat. That'll be ready. And then we'll go ahead and next video I'll try to get a frame built, get it put on here, and then we'll probably get an axle and try to find some wheels for the back. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And thanks, and have a great day.